color symphony. We're going to be using different food coloring colors. We're going to be using whole milk, and we are going to use our Dawn dish soap or any soap you have available. And lastly, you're going to need a cooking tray. Any type is fine. First, we're going to pour our whole milk to make sure that it covers the bottom of our pan. So that is about right. Most of our pan is covered, our bottom. We're going to add about 6 or 8 drops of food coloring. So let's do 2 of these blue. We're going to do 2 of our green. We're going to do 2 yellow. And we will do 2 red. 6 to 8 is just an estimated number. You can add more, but not any less. And then you're going to take your Dawn dish soap, and we are going to pour about 5 drops of this soap into each food coloring spot. So let's see what happens. Alright, and that's why we call it color symphony. You saw how all of the colors dispersed together. So how does this work? We know where the food coloring comes from, but why the milk and why the soap? The main job of our dish soap is to go after fat and break it down. Usually the fat is on our dishes from the food that we eat, but it also is in whole milk. When you drop the liquid soap onto the tray, it tried to break down the fat in the milk. While it was doing that, it caused the colors to scatter and mix a very colorful display, and it's just something to have fun with. So if I'm going to take this further and make it into an experiment, I would ask my children if does it matter which dish soap we use, and does it matter that our tray has some curves on it? What would happen if it was just flat? Would it still work? So I hope you enjoyed this little class demonstration. I would use as a hook. I would show it to my kids. I would have them come around me, and if I wanted to take it another step further, I would set up little stations to where they would be able to do this. Maybe a station of 3 to 4, nothing bigger, and allow each child to have their own participation in this little demonstration. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back soon.